Hey everybody, how's it going? What's happening? What's happening? All right. Was an interesting pre-New York session, I must say. And we'll still have some more sell side in this, so some more juice on the downside. Eventually, we did get to that fair value gap that we were talking about in London. And now I have a feeling that we might get lower on this here. So I would be curious. The thing is that we're getting closer and closer to the 9:30 open. And basically today I am a little bit down because I was trying to scalp again and I never learned from my mistakes, and I'm down and at least 1 hour. So I'm a little bit down. I managed to get back to break even at the London session, and now I'm down again with 1 hour. Overtrading, guys, overtrading. That's how it goes. So I don't really want to risk too much. But anyway, I think there is still some juice in this. If we go to the 4 hour, we can see that. Actually, let me check this real quick. 1 hour, no. 4 hour consequent encroachment. Where can I measure this? The low of this candle is 45, 75, 44. Okay. So we have a low here. Right here. Let's put the FIB tool in place. And I'm gonna go with this. Nothing. That was right up there. And then I'm gonna go once more with this. Yeah, so the mid threshold of this 4 hour gap is here at 415. Okay. Let's go back here. 415. 415. Which means this would be the CE level. Howdy, Trade Oracle. How you doing? Applause. CE 4 hour. How was your trading so far? I messed up a little bit. I was scalping too much again. Okay, there you go. So 4 hour consequent encroachment down there. I wanted to go in with a crude oil trade, but actually I messed it up. So I messed up my entry. What else is down there? I do like this low here from Friday at crude oil. I'm most likely collecting data now. Let's go back to Nasdaq. If you look at the 15-minute, this was a market, retracement back up there for some more liquidity. On the 1 minute, we have a market structure shift. We have sell side liquidity on the 5-minute chart if we go back at 18,438. The only thing is that we have market open not too far from here. Let's see, what do we have on the other charts? Nothing. All right. Okay. Everything is lined up perfectly. So if you guys want to be real aggressive, I got a little bit of a cold feet here, then you can go short. Sorry, this is not the way to put it, right? So you can go short here at 78. What's a market? All these terms are scaring me. What do you mean by that? You're a pro. You should know better. You should know better. How is trading so far going for you, Traderocle? I wanted to check out your channel over the weekend because Methodical Man told that you are actually a pro, and I want to gather some information about some good entry models, entry techniques that I might be able to do myself as well. So haven't had a red day all year. Really? Lose money but make it up later. Wow, dude. Oh my god, that's awesome. That's awesome there. I'm gonna check out your entry models, that's for sure. By the way, optimal trade entry level here, if you want to aggressively go short on Nasdaq. The only problem is the market open. It can easily pop higher. So you should just wait as usually. I'm not in a trade. I'm flat. Although, let's see, I'm not. I'm down about $75 on average per account. $75, $80. So that's about 1 hour for me on every of my accounts. I was stupid to enter into crude oil. I shouldn't have done it down one. I made it back to break even in the London session and then gave back 1 hour to the market. I buy at the green dot. It's cool if you buy at the green dot. That's cool. I want something similar. That's why I always say, and I came to the conclusion that if I go with the mechanical system, I can eliminate fear, and I think it's actually a good thing. So with the mechanical system, with straight rules, you know, strict rules, you can actually have a good chance to eliminate fear. The only thing you have to do is manage your risk, and that's it. So, yeah. That's why I'm always opened up for some mechanical systems or entry models, you know. So, yeah. I'm looking into those kind of things. Wow, this was interesting here. Okay. But I don't want to do strategy hopping or anything. I'm just trying to implement some entries to my own style. The biggest obstacle for me is still determining, of course, that's the core of it. Bob, hey there. Good morning. Is to determine where is the draw on liquidity. And in many cases, you know, that really gives me a headache. So for example here, if I zoom out the 5 minute, let's go in here, look at this. If you go to the 5 minute chart, you zoom it out and you go to the left, you go to the 20th of March, to the PM session. It made the swing low at 18,438. So that means I consider that as a possible sell side liquidity target. I'm sorry, Streamlabs is spamming again. I can't do anything about that. I tried every setting. But Streamlabs thinks, you know, it just puts in the text and the links. But anyway. Let's go. It's right there, crude. So that's the next sell side, but we are in deep discount intraday. If I look at the 1 hour, we are still in discount. So excuse me. So I would be favorizing the longs. But I don't see clean targets. The best target I see is that sell side at 38 and consequent encroachment of the 4 hour candle, which was FOMC Powell. Like to see that being taken out. It's not far away. And nothing on the 1 hour really. So yeah, I would definitely be careful. Yeah. On the 1 minute we have bearish order blocks up to the 500s. Actually right around at 500. So we have a fair value gap at 93. Can this one go all the way up there? I think it can. All the way to 93. But we have 40 minutes until market open, so that's not good. Mihalis, hey there. Hey Tom, such a decent short. I eventually made money but gave back everything while I was trying to pick bottom. Yeah, well, thank you, Mihails. Well, the thing is that I was happy with that. I closed it manually. And then I also did the same mistake. So it started to drop down. And I thought after this move, when it came through this fair value gap, that it's going to go back there and take out that swing high right there. So I entered to a long position after the stream has ended. And unfortunately, as you can see, it didn't really turn out good. I closed it manually. And also, what I did there is entered on a crude oil long. I don't even know where. Oh yeah, somewhere here. So I never really take trades on crude oil, but I entered the long position here. And also took me out. And so, because these were very small position, both on the crude oil and both on Nasdaq, like 0.5 R, I'm basically down 1 R. Again, I was down 2 R in the London session, made it back to break even, and now I'm down 1 R again. But this is trading, so I'm negative for the day so far. What can I say? I'm not proud of myself. So, Mihails, it happens. Trust me. And by the way, speaking of bottoms here, we still have the 438 intact as a potential sell side liquidity. And if you look at the 4 hour chart, the mid threshold or consequent encroachment level is at 415 ish or 416, but that's That's the level. So I would be still staying bearish on Nasdaq, especially because we had this right here, fair value gap. You can, if you want to go aggressive, you can still go short at this point, but that's an aggressive entry. I'm telling you, this is an aggressive entry because after market open, it can just spike up, take out everyone, and that's it. So at this point, when we are about 30 minutes from market open, well, let's just say I don't really like to be in a trade. I like to see what the market open will bring us. As for crude oil, well, I don't have any track record, so I'm just trying to collect info and enter with a very small position. But anyway, so this is actually an inversion gap-ish thing, which can mean that it can go higher, and my target would be the 500. So there you go, aggressive, long. So it depends on what model you trade. As you see, there are entry models in both ways on this one. What are your thoughts on trading only during major news days, like some people do exclude news Mondays from? I think it's a smart thing, actually, because you need volatility, right? So when there is no news, no volatility, you can still make some good trades. Absolutely, I agree, you can make some good trades, but you don't really want to sit in front of the monitor like I do for hours and hours, just keep staring at the screen on those days. I know people who are only opening their charts at the New York Open, and they are trading for about maximum 2 hours, but that's the maximum. Like usually they trade for an hour and a half, like 90 minutes, 60 minutes. Not just Nasdaq or crude oil, gold, whatever. But I know some people, and they are somewhat successful, and they only trade about an hour per day on news days. And they are making very good profits. And here I am grinding in the London session, in the New York session. It's not just because of trading, it's partially because of my channel, so I have to admit that. The thing why I'm here is because of the channel. Hey Joey, how you doing? Because I want to build up this channel, put on some new content in the future. So yeah, and I'm partially here to make some money from my online revenue streams from affiliate commissions. I'm not denying it, because trading is all I do, but I'm not constantly profitable. And of course, the more I'm watching these screens, the more trades I take. And the most profitable and successful traders, many of them are only watching the screens for an hour per day. And that's it. If they see something in that hour, in that window, and they just take it. Wet meal yellow. Good to see you there. Hope you had a great weekend. Let me give you guys a proper applause there. But anyway, I was greedy again. Black Beauty Machine, hey there. Good to see you. I was greedy again, and I entered to the crude oil trade and gave back the profits, but you know how it is.
I'm sorry, I couldn't resist.
I couldn't resist. I couldn't resist to this trade. Yeah. I still think we're bearish on Nasdaq. This one should be going lower, at least down to the 400s. I just don't like this area too much before the market open. I really don't. Not sure what to think of it. Let's check ES just for a quick second. ES is also down. Yeah, so ES might be looking for that 70 level for some liquidity. Could be happening. On NQ, there is basically nothing extra here. What could we do? If we would like to enter, yeah. So I don't know what they want to do or what NQ wants to do on these levels, but we're looking into it. Hey Giri, hi Tom, bought 20 50k evals. Oh my god, thank you so much. Thank you. Jesus holy Christ, thank you. One more applause. Thank you for that. Oh my god, did you just buy it now? That is awesome, man. Thank you again. Thank you for the support. That is awesome. Thank you so much. That really goes to the benefit of the stream and for me being here in the long run. Thank you. Thank you. So, yeah. Due to credit card transaction limitations, buying. Oh, I see. All right, Giri. Well, you know, by the way, just simple reminder: if for some reason, unfortunately, you will blow those accounts, you can still keep the subscription because you have the lifetime subscription. So they're going to give you a reset with the discount price again in next month. Just a quick tip for you. So you will definitely locking in your discount price there if you don't cancel it. I'm not used to cancel those accounts that I've blown, and when I got rebuild, I get the reset with the same discount price, and that's it. Exception for BULENOX right now, because this 90% sale is only goes for the first month, so it's not written on their website, only at the credit card payment section when you buy the account. It's only for the first month. Keep that in mind. But Apex gives you the lifetime 80% right now, and 1 day pass, which is a good thing if you know what you're doing. All right, what do we have? Oh, still just waiting here. Overall, I do see that sell side at the 5-minute chart, a little bit lower. The midpoint of the 4-hour candle is still down there. I don't know if it wants to go into that area. Market open is about 27 minutes away. Who knows? You know, guys, how it goes. They could just, you know, dump it or pop it higher. We are in a daily discount, so wouldn't be surprised if we would just, you know, burst higher. Got to know. What we should do here. Yeah. Otherwise, nothing extra. Just waiting. It can actually go higher. reprice that 1 minute order block. It's not too far. And that's it. ES has a nice target on the 1 hour. The low of the candle is 71.25. I'm going to put a marker there. 71.25 sell side liquidity. So who knows? Who knows? If this goes lower, then definitely the 38 would be the next level. Let me check it. I don't know. Yeah, 38 could be the thing. Could be the thing. What are you guys are planning? Any trade ideas? Any levels that you guys are looking for? Let me know. Let me know and push the like button. Let's push this stream. Thank you so much. Okay. Yeah. So we have targets all over the place. All over the place. Can we get down there? I wonder. I don't know. I mean, it felt heavy here, but if you go to the 5 minute and go to the 20th of March, there is a beautiful sell side swing low there. Could be taken out. Could be taken out. Right now, you just have to wait this one out. Does it want to dip lower, or who knows? Maybe before market open it wants to make a new low or high, whatever. It's just narrowing down the whole movement here. Could be bullish. It's really hard to tell at this point. Only thing I see is that sell side down there, and nothing significant. Only, I mean, up the upside. Upside only significant is the 500 level. But I guess we have to wait. We just have to wait. What's up with crude oil? Also stop. Oh, no. It's the ES. Let's check the crude oil here. Oh yeah, oh, it's going up there. Look at that. And I was looking for this one to break previous day, I mean Friday high. It's not doing it for now. Wonder why. No idea. No idea. So if it would start to dump, it's not just this low at 55. Would be interesting to see the 38 being taken out or not. Sell side liquidity, I'm gonna write this here. March 5 minute swing low. There. Actually, I can write the exact time for this. This was at 3:50. 3:50. Okay. Now you guys know everything. That's the thing I'm looking for. Feeling bearish today. Yeah, I mean, yeah, me too. Me too, actually. We'll see if it wants to take that sell side or not. Yeah. Bum, 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 bum. And this is the consequent 4-hour buy side imbalance, sell side inefficiency. Right. Busy. Fair value gap. Okay. Too many text. Too many text. All right. Let's see. Let's see. It's going. It's going. Would have entered, but the problem is the market open, as always. Market open is, you know, it can get you the nerves. And I'm already down 1 hour, so I gotta think twice what to do here. Feeling bearish too. If we look at the higher time frame, I mean, we do have some very nice targets down there. Very, very nice targets. Huge daily fair value gap. Clarity, hey there. Oh yeah. Yeah. Also, if we look at ES, there is a sell side at 52.71. So beautiful fair value gap on the 1 hour too. That would be interesting. Push the like button, guys. Huge applause for everyone being here. All right. All right. Let's go. Let's go, everyone. Okay. It's going up a little bit. We just have to wait, guys. Putting on a trade right now before market open is a little bit dangerous. Okay, now this is the reason why I don't enter a trade just before the market open. Let's see. Any ideas, guys? Let me know. Let me know. Ranging. All right, all right. All right, all right. Yesterday I was watching television and there was that crazy stupid comedy movie was on the TV with Dwayne Johnson and anyway it was Baywatch with Dwayne Johnson and Zac Efron. Stupid movie. I was laughing a little bit. I was laughing. You know, I was watching it in Hungarian dub, and it's pretty funny in Hungarian dub. There are some funny gestures, and I think the actor who is dubbing Dwayne Johnson and Zac Efron in Hungary did a very good job. So I was having a great time laughing. I'm not really watch movies dubbed. I always watch it in original English. But this one I made an exception. Okay. So, this trade is back to, I don't know where. Ba-da-da. Okay, going back up there. Let's see what is happening. What is happening, guys? What are we looking into right now? Looking for some kind of news. Do we have some kind of... We do have new home sales later on. New home sales. It's gonna be at 10 a.m. right? Yeah, 10 a.m. So I wonder how's it gonna go. I'm gonna let you guys know if I jump into a trade. But so far I'm down 1 hour, so I gotta be very careful. Let's see what is going now. What is going on? What is going on? What do you guys think? Come on, give me some ideas. What to do? Should I go all in full port, or what should I do? Should I really do that? Should I enter full long, full short? You know, all the contracts I can go in with. What should I do, guys? Tell me. I want to be like Patrick Wieland. No, I don't. He's a cool guy, but I'm not really like him. All right. Look for the short. Luffy, hey there. Welcome to the stream. Good to see you. Yeah, I'm looking for shorts. I want to target some lows down there, but you know, this fair value gap here is still holding. I mean, look at this. There will be on ES to go higher, but right now the indices are in sideways reversal, so you should wait. Yeah, we definitely have to wait a higher high, at least the 15-minute. Yeah, so the 15-minute chart, yeah, almost forgot to go with the 15-minute. This one actually repriced this gap here, and that's why I was wondering that maybe we can go continue this drop. But the thing is, if I mean, I see the swing high, but there is no markers. I mean, no order block. Let me check on the 5-minute. Yeah, so there is no real order block here. These are not so good order blocks. That's why I think it would be much more reasonable for price to just drop, you know, lower from here. So yeah. ES has the smoother transition. Could be right. Crude oil is just ranging for now. ES definitely looks good. We have a beautiful sell side at 52.71 on the 1 hour, so anything can happen. I do like how NQ looks right now. It looks beautiful to take out that sell side. So yeah. All right. 6 more minutes. But best plays later. Yeah. If we see a clean reversal, so if I want to go long, I mean, look at this. Very interesting. Just check it out, guys and gals. After the midnight open, price immediately started to drop down. So let's just check the daily chart on Nasdaq just for a quick second. That is actually not good. Anyway, never mind. So it immediately started to go down. We haven't really been above the midnight open, except for, I mean, the Sunday open was up here. That I don't care about that. During this day, price was only down here. So yeah. Oh my, oh my. Bum, bum, ba-da-dum, bum, bum, ba-da-dum, ba-da-dum. Bum, ba-bum. Less than 5 minutes, people. Less than 5 minutes. Are you ready to rumble? Check the 8 reversal. Yet the weekly is bullish. This is almost done. 8 hour. Ooh, wow. How do I do that? 140. Okay, this is the 8 hour. Okay. Yeah. Oh yeah, I see. In 33 minutes. Uh-huh. Yeah. That's true. That's true. Well, that can happen. Absolutely. Started to pop higher here. Almost 2 minutes. Okay. All right. Let's pray. A streak. Let's pray. Let's pray. Low drop morning, yeah. Hot streak. Let's pray. 1 minute and 23 seconds. Oh wow, look at this. Seems like it wants to go a little bit down. So we're at 63. Swing low is down there. I don't know. Could be interesting. Could be interesting. I would strongly advise that everyone cover your ears, because the opening bell is going to be very, very, very loud. 52, 59, target and ES. Yeah, could be. As I said, we should be going down to 71 at first phase and then continue lower. But anyway, look at this. Only 20 more points to go down on NQ. I think it wants to go 20 seconds. Get ready. Get ready. 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Cover your ears. All right. Be careful. Be careful. 38 is the next sell side. Could reverse. Don't do anything crazy here. Okay, 10 points down. All right, we might be seeing a possible reversal. Let's see. ES is popping higher. Wow, look at that. Interesting move. Didn't really expected this. I thought it's gonna go down and spike out to 71. But now, I just don't know. I just don't know what it wants to do. Okay, it's going up. Let's see. Let's see. Okay, ES stopped. Let's see if it wants to pop higher. Let's look at the regular trading hour. Oh wow, what a gap. Okay, so we still have a scenario that if it wants to close down this gap, we might see this going higher. This is regular trading hours, so quite interesting. Quite interesting picture. Well, let's look at the 15-minute. Nothing too fancy here. Nothing on the 1 hour. There's a swing on the 1 hour, by the way. Let's put the fib tool here. Fib tool here. Right there. So yeah, I think we can go all the way up to the 500s. The golden level on the 1 hour swing would be just above there. So I can see this trying to take out that 1 minute order block. Could be, but there is no structure shift here, but I wouldn't be surprised if it would go there. So oh well, it's pretty much a coin toss right here, because we can go down to the sell side, or we can go back to the 1 hour golden area at 503. Let's see. Seems like it's dropping now. Okay, it's dropping. So far, it's dropping. Is it gonna go and take out the 38? I wonder. I think it will. Yeah, now he's gonna go for it. Okay, it's taken out the that swing low that we were talking about earlier. Was a little bit interesting. But so far so good. And the consequent encroachment of 415 is down there. I don't want to risk it to go short. Instead, I might going to look at, I mean, NQ made a new low here, in my view. So I would be watching ES to make a new low as well, but I'm not sure. All right. No trade here. I wish I could enter some good trade, but there is just nothing that I like, to be honest. Do I have any open orders? No, I don't. All right. It's going down for it to the 15. Okay, now it's down. So we are right at the midpoint of the 4-hour consequent encroachment. I mean, sorry, the 4-hour bullish candle from FOMC. And this brings us to a little bit of a difficult situation, because what can we look for? If we go to the 1-hour chart, there is a bullish order block. Starts at 292. So the high of this candle is 91.50. Actually, that's the point. 91.50. 91.50. Okay, so that could be the next target. Otherwise, it's just difficult to say. It's really difficult. Well, I just sneezed. 2 contracts short. Got off one at... Oh, right. You're short. Well, as I said, on ES, the 71.25 would be a very, very good target. If you get out at 72, That's a really, really good trade. I want to check crude oil too. Wow, look at that. Crude just took out previous day high, which is interesting. But if I look at the 15-minute, it's still bullish. Would be interesting to take out the 15-minute chart high. I mean here. Let me put this here and go here. So yeah, I like this. It looks good for a long trade, but it's risky, but still looks good on crude oil. Okay. I like to see this go higher. All right. Crude is always strong. Look at this. I mean, I think it wants to take out that order block on the 15-minute. It wants to take... Yeah, there is one more. I think it wants to go higher. Would be nice to jump in to a long. Not sure if I want to, but if I would take a long here, I would enter here and get out there. Risk reward is still okay. I can actually paper trade this, right? This is just a paper trade because on crude oil I am actually still collecting data, so this is a paper trade. I just want to see it play out with one contract. All right, NQ is moving higher. Hey Kid Nash, how are you doing? I'm sorry I was a little bit quiet. I was texting with someone. Crude oil is still up there. Is Husk on today? I'm not sure. I haven't checked on him yet. I messed up on gold. I left the short on without a stop. Oh no, man. No problem, Kid Nash. It's good to see you. Push the like button, please. Before you go, please push the like button. Thank you. If anybody's here, just push the like button. Let's push this stream. I'm really looking to gain some more viewers in the New York session. I'll try to spend more time here. But as of this point, you know, oh wow, look at this 1 hour candle. Bullish pin bar. Didn't really, I mean, did it go lower? The low of this was 14 and the low of this was, didn't make a low here. How interesting. Didn't really take out the low of this candle. Low of this candle was 14. I'm gonna go with 14. And I'm gonna change this to 1 hour. There you go. Don't do some shorts, man. YouTube shorts. Oh, you did a good one. I said, okay, okay. Yeah, it was interesting. Everybody was watching that video. Yeah, I'm gonna do some shorts definitely. Yeah, thanks for the suggestion there. Thank you. Also, when are you guys doing a session with? Oh, we are gonna do it on Thursday. So on Thursday we're gonna do a joint stream London session with me and Methodical Man, and he's gonna continue with I think Naughty Bar is gonna be in his stream, or he's gonna be in Naughty's stream, and who else? I forgot. But yeah, I have to check on it. He wrote to me. Yeah, Thursday. Husk, yeah. Husk Trader 2. Red Man, Red Lord. Yeah, there you go. So I think he's gonna be streaming the New York session with them, and maybe he's gonna be joining my stream in the London session. I don't know about the rest of the day, you know, because if there's also too many people on the stream, it might be a little bit crowded to talk at the same time. I don't know how it goes, but I'm really excited to see them doing that. And yeah, could be exciting, I think. Oh well. The thing is, if we look at the 1 hour chart, I do see, I mean look at that. If you look at the 1 hour chart, like here, and this candle is going to close soon, in less than 5 minutes, and look at that, we have a fair value gap below that. I do think that we have a high chance, maybe, I mean a higher probability, that price would start to go lower again and take out that 1 hour buy side imbalance, sell side inefficiency here. So that could be interesting. Correct me if I'm wrong. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. All right. Bum, 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 bum. All right. Still waiting for news. Not much to do. Crude oil is going up. Wow. Should have taken it, right? I think it will burst through that 81.92. Should go up there. Should have, but I could have, but I should have waited a little bit more here. And I could have had a nicer trade. Well, yeah, I took a trade, Kid Nash. I was short. Where I was short? I was short here, and I closed it manually here, although my take profit was down here, and after the stream it reached my take profit, so I took a short. The problem is I was also short here, and I got stopped here. That was unfortunate. So one stop here, one win. Actually, two stops. Sorry. Yeah, I was wondering what the hell. I had two stop losses here. I entered one more here. Got stopped here. And I entered the third time here. So I actually went back to break even at the end of the stream. But then I started to scalp my way a little bit back up there, and I lost again. So I was that I got down 1 hour, so it was a little bit crazy. Drop it like it hot. Is ES going down? What is happening? Not yet. So I actually gave back again some profits, and now I'm down about 1 hour, which is about $70–80 per account. A little bit of a loss. Not that big deal, but a little bit down. Let me know what you guys have in common. Trading wise with me, any ideas? Let me know. Let's see. Zoltan, hey there. Tom, you look very focused. Yeah, I was texting with someone and I'm not in trade because if you look at the 1 hour chart, you know, it's we have a beautiful 1 hour bullish pin bar, and these pin bars are actually like magnets. I'm gonna tell you guys, this is like a magnet. This. So I do think that that level can be broken. If I see a trade, I'm gonna let you guys know. Kidnash Tom, how are dental fees? You know, it's subjective. I think considered to Western European countries, it's cheaper. It's much cheaper. On average, a dentist can, for example, if you have a hole in your teeth, on average in my city, you know, for fixing a hole in your teeth, for one tooth or teeth anyway, you know, for one teeth, they do it for about 60,000 Hungarian forints, which I'm gonna go with. Let's go with $200 ish, $180 if you have a hole in your teeth. But that's too much. That's too much. I think I'm gonna go with $150 because I know some good dentists here, and for fixing a hole, they ask for, if there's nothing more serious, than $150 for fixing a hole. So yeah. Yeah, less than. How about we wieners? Wieners. I don't know what you mean there. Oh, I know. I'm not sure about that. I'm not sure about wieners. Uh, I wouldn't know how much they fix that. Maybe they do it for $80, $70, something like that. I know, methodical man. I know. Come on, don't make me blush here. I know. They do it for about $80, $70. Come on. About 80, maybe $70. That around about. I know there are some good dentists. There are more expensive ones as well, but that's cleaning. Well, then I don't know. Not sure. I can check my doctor's website, like dental procedure prices. I know what you mean there. I think I'm not sure. That's definitely much more expensive. I know now what you mean. Yeah. Couldn't say. There are some good websites, you can check. Yeah. Let me but those are, I mean, the website, I mean, these websites, I'm not even sure. I mean, these are mostly in Budapest, which I can recommend you. Oh yeah, here are some prices. There you go. 10 best clinics for oh my god, what's this? You see, 250 for wieners, 500, 233, 329 US dollar, and these clinics are all in Budapest. So around, I would say $250 or 300, you should be fine. Yeah, 250. But I can paste this link to you if you're interested. If you want to, I can paste this link to you. These are some good clinics. Oh, not the wieners. I was searching for that. Dental wieners. There you go. Yeah. Yeah, you're welcome, Kidnesh. You're welcome. Yeah, check them out. These are most likely around Budapest. So, yeah. I know that a lot of people come to Hungary for dental services. I don't know. I don't know about Turkey. I don't know what's going there, but I know a lot of people come from Germany, Austria, to Hungary to fix their teeth. Hungary is in Europe, definitely. I think dental services are cheaper. Yeah. These clinics, especially in Budapest, have very good standards. Forgive me. Which are you coming from? Not Poland, Slovakia. I'm sorry because I have someone from Slovakia, Slovenia, and Poland, and I'm mixing you guys pretty much. And I'm sorry, goodness, Canada. Because if you're coming from Canada, depends on which country, I mean, which side of the country you're landing. You know, if you come to, not to Budapest airport, but if you come to, there's another city, it's called Győr. That's on the western region of the country. That city is specialized for dental services. I mean that city is famous for every dentist is going to that city because it's near to all the borders, and a lot of people are coming to fix their teeth there, and it's even cheaper than Budapest, I think, and it has airport too. It has airports, but yeah. Muhammad, hey there, how's it going? But I'm not sure if international jets, I mean international commercial, I mean international planes are landing in that city. But if you're in Budapest, you rent a car, it's like 2 hours drive to travel there, although there is some expenses with fuel and car rental, so I don't know. But it's very famous for a lot of dentists live in that city. Oh, from London you can. But hey, still, you can find a lot in Budapest. Well, if you come from London, maybe London, if you can find a plane to Győr, then maybe. I'm not sure. I don't want to say which one, but you know, if you give me some time, I have a friend who works at the airport actually. Vancouver, London. So if I have a friend who is actually working at the airport, I can ask for him, and it's no biggie. He can tell me which flights are most usually going to Győr, and that town is a beautiful town, by the way. It's a beautiful city, and it's not everybody there is a dentist, really. Or maybe, well, you know what? You can go to Vienna. You can go to Vienna. And this city is closer to Vienna than to Budapest. So this is the far west side of Hungary. So this is very close from Vienna. It's like 40 minutes with the highway or less to travel to Győr with a car. So Vienna airport is very close to Győr. It's even closer than Budapest. I mean, closer than Budapest, yeah. Yeah, so check maybe Vienna. Vienna should be okay because there's no border patrol or anything. You can just rent a car at the airport and you can drive. It's not even 40 minutes. You can get there in 30 minutes if the highway is okay. Anyway. What's the magnet? Sorry. The magnet is very simple. This is a 1 hour bullish pin bar right here. So this bullish pin bar, and below this bullish pin bar, the low of this pin bar is actually, let me check it, hold on. So the low of this pin bar is 414.75. And if you go to the left here, the low of this bar is 414. So 3 ticks below. I mean, this one is 3 ticks below than this pin bar, which means, and if you pull out the fib tool here, then you can see that we're pretty much in the optimal trade entry zone. And I like to think that this bullish pin bar is going to get taken out sooner or later, because we have this huge 1 hour fair value gap that is basically being left untouched, beautifully untouched. Like, this is really like a magnet here. And I would like to anticipate price returning down here and taking out this 1 hour buy side imbalance, sell side inefficiency. That is something I would like to see. Yeah. Fighter jets are flying. A lot of fighter jets. So we're still going up there. And so far, crude oil is going up. ES is still going up. I don't know what the hell ES wants. We are inside of a bearish order block. Not too beautiful, but it's a bearish order block on ES. And if I go to Nasdaq, well, if I look at it closely, this is a 1 hour order block here, starting at 541, 1 hour bearish order block. So yeah, 541. I have to put it there. 541 bearish order block. One hour. So we have targets all around. We have a beautiful buy side here. The swing high. I like that. I like that swing high. Still in premium, so crude oil is almost at profit. It's a paper trade, I know. I'm paper trading crude oil. Yeah. That's what I do. Let's paper trade. Should be going up to 540. Well, 538. 538. Are we gonna go there? Let me know if you guys looking to enter. Oh yeah, we're gonna go there. Look at it. We're gonna go there. We're popping. Should be getting there. Yeah, up there. We are at the 1 hour order block. And the thing is that we had the reaction, but you know, I wouldn't be surprised if it would just take this out. The high of this one is actually here. I'm gonna put buy side liquidity right there. It's right up there at 60, 30. Well, yeah. This one can go below the midnight opening range. Wow, crude just dropped. Did we have some news? Somebody's talking from Fed, or what is going on? The target, I would say, is at 565. That's the top of the 1 hour order block. If this one wants to continue, the better entry was down here, but of course, obviously, I didn't take that. Now, this is another long opportunity right here on this gap to target the buy side right up there, which is the top of the 1 hour bearish order block. I don't know if it wants to go there, but we are in daily discount. This is like a swing high. I think we have every chance that it will go there, but maybe it's better not to risk it. I'm not sure. I'm not sure. Buy side at 565, yeah. Yeah, why not? Why not? Buy side 565. 5, 6, 4, 5, 6, 5. I might gonna use a tight stop loss right there. There you go. In case if it wants to take me out, then I'm just gonna let it do its thing. What I think on ES, let me show you. Oh, I just made some paper trading profit on crude oil. ES. Almost the same scenario, right? Look at ES. This is a not too perfect bearish order block. Actually, it is a bearish order block. So the top of the order block is at 52.93, which is the high of the day, 52.93 on the 1 hour. I do like the 52.93. Look at this on the 5 minute, on the 15 minute. This is not exactly an order block, but there is one more from Sunday with the 52.95. So almost the same scenario as NQ. I think it's shifting. It's shifting higher, and this one, you know, it can go 52.93 and higher from here. So I would like to see 52.93. Let's see if I have an entry. Yeah, there you go. Entry wise, I would like this. Yeah, that right there. So I like to see it go higher, but I mean, we know that the top of these order blocks are usually holding some very good stop loss levels, and that would be interesting to see. Yeah, you're welcome, Kidnesh. I think ES suits your trading in your session. Well, hopefully both NQ as well. Also, guys, if you would like to help out the stream, please consider to use my coupon codes and affiliate codes, coupon codes and links. Get some discount on the accounts if you would like to trade. Well, no, you're right. You're right. I mean, I like ES too, but you know, only in the New York session. In the London session, ES is just not moving that much, and it's not really my style, but yeah. So as I was saying, my funded futures is having a great discount, no activation fee until the 6th of April. So go for it, and 30% discount if you use my code, which is awesome. And what else? No activation fee, and the resets are only $50 until the 6th of April. So $50 to reset, which is a great deal as well. If you want an additional discount from the current price at TOPSTEP, just go to my link and register for an account. You get 20% off. And Apex has a very, very good deal. Lifetime 80% off if you don't cancel the account, which is a very good deal. And BULENOX 90%, but only for the first month. Only for the first month. This one is almost taking me out. It should be. Yeah, in London it's awful. ES is very bad. In London hours, it's untradeable technically. That's why I'd love to see my funded futures and TOPSTEP take up. I mean, take on with DEX futures. That would be great. You can trade it at Apex with an extra subscription. I haven't tried it yet, but looking forward to it. I think I'm out from this trade. Almost out, not yet, but almost. So if this is shifting lower, which I think it will now, and I'm out from the trade. I'm still in the trade. I don't know how I'm in the trade, guys. I'm still in it. This is actually, this is unbelievable. It missed my stop loss with one tick. With one tick, but I'm not sure what's gonna happen here. I just want to see the top of the order block. Wow. Wow. Technically, I should not be in this trade. I should not be in this trade. Let's go. Just a second. I'm here. I'm here. Took me out, damn. But hey, it took me out. That's a good thing. Now I can focus on the real trades. Alright. No shift though, so no shift in the market structure yet. As much as I would like to see. Patience works always. Patience always works. Always works. Now look at that. It took me out and now it wants to go for that high. This is so typical. But you know, entering again would be revenge trading, so we're not gonna do something like that. But it was unfortunate. I'm wondering if we're gonna go lower. Maybe not. I still think we have a high chance for this one to reach the top of that order block. I think. How far is that? That is at 41. Yeah. Let's see if it wants to take out that high first. Are we going to take out that high? I think it will. And if it goes to that original target up there, well, that would be really something. Okay, repricing this fair value gap here, which can be a good sign. If it wants to get back to that high at 41, what's the high here? The high of this candle is 42. It should be breaking it if this one goes for the top of the order block. So we should see a break. I'm gonna put one here. Possible trade. 1-to-1 risk to reward. You know, still a good entry. This one is still a good trade, or considered to be a good trade. But if it shifts lower, let's not forget that we have that 1 hour gap. So now, well, it could be a decision point as well. Could be a decision point that has to be made at these levels. I don't know. Tapped into the 15-minute fair value gap. Question remains, is it want to go to take out the order block? I mean, the high of the order block. That's the big question. That's the big question. All right, all right. What else do we have? This trade is still going. What if it's gonna reach higher? Where can it go? Let's see, the buy side liquidity at 64. Can we go for that? I think we can. I think we can. That would be the top of this area. And I'm not sure that we're gonna get it. Hey, Dadeka. I'm doing okay. Hope you're good too. Good to see you on the stream. Push the like button, guys. How are you doing? Any good trades? Hope you're having some nice juicy profits. Doing well. Done trading? I hope very much in the green, my man. I hope you're in the green. Come on. Still having some hard time. If this one is a shift, then wow, I would say we're on the way to go down to the sell sides. I was just thinking that maybe we are going to revisit those highs at the top of the order block. We're still in the AM session. Maybe lunch hour will bring us up there. We would still be ending up in the discount PD array. 15-minute looks bullish so far. One short on ES, nice. 5 points, nice. I'm happy with, yeah. That is on ES. It's absolutely enough, more than you need. On ES, that is more than you need. Profit level is, it should be at 60. That would give us a 1-to-2 risk to reward ratio. How about that? How about that? Actually, even higher. All right. Let's go. So I hope that they're accumulating positions and they're breaking higher into the top of that order block. Who knows? Then we will see some more liquidity taken. I'm just interested if they want to dump it down again to that level or not. I'm really interested to see that. Only problem is that they took this buy side liquidity at 38. Still short. Let's go. Black Beauty Machine, I hope you'll succeed. I hope you will. So, until we're waiting, grab your discounts. Very good codes and links. Use them wisely. And go for it. Hmm. Still short, yeah. Well, I don't know. I mean, if I look at the 1 hour chart, I still see this. I mean, I see this order block on the 1 hour, and you know. But if I go down on the 5 minute, then I see these beautiful targets down there. You know, taking out all this sell side down here. And so if this would be shifting, I don't know. These order blocks are usually like to be taken out. What was the time here? That was London high, right? Yeah. That was London high. And there's still a gap above that. Let's see, regular trading hours. Yeah, there's still a gap. So if it wants to close that, it could be going higher. Could be. Accumulating some positions. No, no, let's go. What do you guys think? Any info? Any trade idea of what to do? Now it's shifting down again. Not a real market structure shift though. Not a real shift, but still very interesting. Let's look at the 5 minute. Well, the 5 minute is shifting, that's for sure, but still not the one I want to see. This one just, you know, sweeping some liquidity here and can still go higher. I don't know. I want to see the order block fail. To consider to scalp it, at least to the midnight opening range. Anyway, give me a minute. I have to go grab a drink. I'll be right back. Okay, we're back. What's happening? Inspector. Black beauty machine. 2 contracts. 52.81 to profit. 74. Okay. Let's go, let's go. Damn, 16 points gone there. Where? Inspector, let me know. What happened? 16 points where? On this trade? Still waiting for this trade to evolve, you know. It feels like accumulating positions, but I'm not sure. Five minutes still look bullish, but yeah. Oh my god, look at this. Look at this on the 1 hour. This can actually drop. That would be interesting. Like total indecision on Nasdaq. The problem is there was no displacement on this one. Let me delete this. It's confusing. So there were no displacement yet, and we still have the top of the 1 hour bearish order block as a potential target. I don't know. I don't know. Let's see. I really want to, I mean, I know for you guys it's maybe not the best option, but I really want to see this break this 1 hour bearish order block. But who knows? Who knows? Are we gonna go higher? I mean, this move would require us to, well, it has to move higher than 41, that's for sure, if this is really the move that we're anticipating. But hard to tell. So let's just wait. So guys, we're gonna do a very good stream on Thursday. Just saying. Join us. We're gonna have Methodical Man. We're gonna have Patrick Wieland, ICT, and that's it. I'm doing okay, McLovin. How you doing? I mean, I'm waiting for the 1 hour to try to break the high of this 1 hour order block. Sorry, waiting for the high here. So the high of the order block is at 565. I want to see it to be broken. That's all I'm waiting for a proper entry. I might not have it here, so, but still it would be interesting to watch. Let's see. This is like pretty much 1, 2, 3, very almost like algorithmic, like going higher one by one. Yeah. Let's see. You take those trades on screen, or yeah, I'm sorry, I'm not taking any trades yet, so I can show it to you. This is my chart on Quantower. I'm not in these trades. I have a level marked up here at 576. I want to see the 560s to be broken. I don't know. That is inside of a bearish order block. Hello, Tom. What would be your best advice for any new or experienced traders? Well, Vera, it's a very good question. I'm sorry, I wasn't reading there. Best advice for any new or experienced traders. Even for an experienced trader, I would tell the same, like for a new trader. Go small size. Small positions. Do not risk more than necessary. Go with less than 0.5%. That would be your maximum, 0.5% of your capital. Even less. I mean, I know capital is relative because on a 50K account, your capital is really like $2,000. But for example, on a 50K account, which is very popular in futures trading, I would go with less than $100 per trade. So my answer is, in short, then I would say go with small size. That would be my best advice. Always go small size, because if you go bigger, then it's going to mess up your thinking process. Everything is going to mess up in your head, and you're gonna get frustrated, and that's never good. So yeah, that's what I would say, even for an experienced trader, because experienced traders are also losing money sometimes, and I'm almost 100% sure that it's because of oversizing. So Virai, that's my short answer. I mean, the one thing I have many advices I would give from my own personal experience, but that's one of the best. Go small. It will help you it will help you fight against the fear of entering. You're welcome, Virai, and thank you for the good question. It will help you to navigate through losing trades. I mean, losing streaks if you go small. For example, if you take like $70 or $80 per trade, you can easily manage through 4 or 5 losses in a row. If you make like 6 losses in a row by your trade entry, then you must be making something wrong with your entry model, because that is highly unlikely that your model is that wrong. It could be, but that's rare. So that would give you like 4 times or 5 times 70. Yeah, you would still survive the day with around $400 of total loss, and you can walk away for the day, and that $400 can be manageable. You can make it back. Maybe not in a day, but maybe in 2 or 3 days. You can easily make it back with trading just the same small size. That's why I truly believe in that concept. And yes, I'm going to take a lot of time to get funded with these accounts. I am aware of that. I'm perfectly aware of that. But it's fine, because it makes the transition easier on the funded accounts to continue trading. You broke even, try again, reversal. Yeah, it can be a reversal, or again, I said that buy side on 565 on NQ could be imminent. I don't know. So watching crude oil too. This was a nice trade here. I took it on paper trading account. How is my paper trading account? This is my paper trading account. This is how the balance went on in March. So I haven't really traded. So I started March with 52,000, and now I'm still at 52,000. But yeah, this is my paper trading account. It's good for testing entries. I do like it. So I'm gonna go with this. And I also think that we should be going to that 565 area. Mi újság, minden Hey Kid Nash, I'm here. Can you hear me? By the way, I still think that we should be edging higher here. Taking out the order block. But I don't know. Yeah, there we go. I just had to go out to the living room and oh, it's back now. All right. All right, good to know. My OBS was working okay and I checked my internet. It was all right. Maybe it was on your end? Not sure. No, I'm not in a trade. I'm flat. I was hoping that I can see a clean structure shift. We can still see one here, but I was waiting for a shift higher, and that fair value gap on the 5-minute could be a possible opportunity for that. So on the 5-minute, this one could be a possible long entry. The target would be the 1-hour order block high. To take out the high of the order block, we're still in a discount PD array. Haven't cut the cables in Africa somewhere. My internet has been slow. Oh, really? That is interesting. All over North America. Do you think it really has to do something with that? I mean, that's interesting. That is really interesting. That is interesting. What was your old target on the Nasdaq? I'm still in 1 micro on that one. Tom, I forgot. I lost the no problem, no problem. My old target, well, there was 2 targets. On the downside, I'm looking for 414. That was my old target to take out this 1-hour fair value gap. And on the buy side, I'm looking for the 566 here because it's still below the midnight open. So these are the 2 for buy side. I look for the 556. On the sell side, 414. 3 contracts now, same entry. Come on, Black Beauty Machine, come on. You can do it. It's possible to, I think those Houthis got some cables over there with some war going. Really? Has to do something with Yemen? Wow. That is like, wow. Never would have thought of that. Made an equal highs, by the way. I noticed a lot of the YouTube podcasts, they go off at night. Oh, so they don't want people to hear some YouTube podcasts, right? They don't want people to know the truth. They don't. Are you using NinjaTrader, by the way? Because I just received an email from NinjaTrader that they were having some connection issues. I don't know. Yeah, you're welcome. You're welcome. Again, I'm gonna go out to the 5-minute, and so this gap here would be or could be a possible long entry, but it would be a dangerous one. But if you notice this, we haven't really been above the midnight opening range. So if price wants to come back here, reprice in this fair value gap, then, you know, might want to go back up again, at least to tap the midnight opening range. Yeah, they're keeping a lot of stuff quiet. Feel bad about what happened. Yeah, the Moscow thing. Moscow, I mean, that is absolutely crazy, man. That is madness. That is mad. I feel really sorry about those people. This is just crazy. No news in Canada? Wow. I heard some stories that, I mean, don't take it personal or anything. I heard some stories that in Canada, some mainstream media trying to, you know, withhold some information about what's going on in Europe and about the war. Not sure. I just heard it in a few videos from people who are always making these conspiracy videos, and they were talking a little bit about the Canadian news, like they're trying to withhold some information there. I don't know, but I think, you know, every country is holding back information, every mainstream media, so no exception really, but who knows. Some kind of yeah, that was a very, very bad attack on those people. I think like 130 people. It's terrible. It's terrible. I just oh, I see. Anti-Russian. Well, as you may know, our prime minister is very much like the best friend of Putin. So a lot of European countries, but I'm not going into politics, sorry. I mean, I just say quite a few European countries don't like our prime minister because he's very much doing like politics with Russia, cooperation with Russia, and anyway, all politicians are crooks, so who cares? But yeah, we can't even get Google News here. No way, man. Come on, is that true? You don't get Google News anymore? That is insane. What the hell? That is insane. You might have to use some VPN service or I don't know, some different browsers, or I don't know. Have to do something about that. Man, that's not good. But I guess every country has its own media blockage. So at least he's trying to stop the war. Good for him. Well, Starlink, there you go. DJ Starlink. Yeah. You can go with Starlink and you'll get the data from there. That's actually a good idea. I was looking into Starlink too because it's available in our country too. Yeah, why we just can't have peace? Hey Tom, he used to be way better than the old days. Well, I know. I mean, I really don't understand why the hell all this thing is necessary. I mean, I guess there's a short answer and there's a long answer which would take days to explain. 200, 2.2, I guess, a liter. Everything is going up. Well, not just there. For example, here, yeah, you don't. We don't. Money. Yeah, DJ. Prime Minister had an issue with it, so shut it down. Oh, wow. Not a good thing. Man, why do they do that? Why do they do something like that? I don't know, man. Well, that's politics for you. But yeah. So. I'm not sure I saw that interview, Elon Musk and Don Lemon. I'm not sure. Is that on X? I guess. Or maybe it's available on YouTube or Rumble. I used to see that Rumble still has some interviews that are banned from YouTube or some other platforms. I'm gonna search for it maybe. Elon Musk and Don Lemon. I'm gonna write it down, you know. Elon Musk and Don Lemon. All right. What's that interview? Then you'll know how powerful the media is. It's unbelievable. So rude and arrogant. I'm gonna watch that. I just wrote it down. I'm definitely going to watch that. Yeah, I'm from Hungary. Yeah, Jiri, sorry. Yeah, Jiri, I'm from Hungary. Jiri, where are you from? I think you mentioned it. I'm sorry, guys. I'm always mixing up where people are from. I'm really sorry about that. I'm very bad. In this, I have a very bad memory. Unfortunately. India. Oh, India. Beautiful country. As far as I've seen it on the pictures and videos, documentaries. DJ, Croatia, yeah. Yeah. Croatia. Man, I want to go down to Croatia. Have a good holiday, finally. India is doing better and better, I think. Yeah. Lived in 2 months, 2018, for office work. Great. Jiri, that's awesome, man. And by the way, I still want to thank you for the support for using my code. Thank you again, Jiri. I think it may be the best country to move. I mean, I don't know much about the economics and the politics of India, but I know that there are many good possibilities to evolve there. I think the power is shifting to India and Asia. So yeah. By the way, price just tapped into the 5-minute fair value gap. So if you guys want to take an aggressive long position to take out these relative equal highs, this could be an opportunity, but I would be careful. We're approaching the lunch hour, so the lunch hour macro can actually sweep some lows here down in this fair value gap. So be careful with that. This could be an entry, guys, if you want to go. I'm still waiting. I still want to wait. I was in India last year, Tom. It's so cheap there, the food. Really, I want to try out Indian food. Actually, I want to try Indian food. Last few times you pronounced my name correctly. G as give, gift. But now you are my name as giraffe. Oh, I'm sorry. Give. Giri. Sorry, Giri. Giri. I'm sorry. I'm sorry about that. Giri. Okay. Giri. Giri Babu Moturi. Giri Babu Moturi. All right. So the guy was rude to Elon. Wow, it was unbelievable. I'm definitely down lemon. I wrote it down. I put an exclamation mark there. Don Lemon versus Elon Musk versus Elon. Wow. You're 800 in profit each. Man, you deserve an applause. Trader of the day. You have the balls, man. Congrats. Now, if you were aggressive, some of you guys, if you guys were aggressive on this gap, we could be heading higher into that order block. Hopefully. Hopefully. I went 800 plus in drawdown in market open. I could, well, still with 800 drawdown, you had the balls. Giri, you had the balls. But hey, you made it back. Yeah, well done, Zoltan. Absolutely true. Well done, Giri. Now we're pretty much consolidating here. Hard to be sure what's going on or what's going to happen. It's really hard. Going a bit aggressive. Hey, sitting on your hand is the best position. Oh, Prime Minister is good. All right. Yeah, I'm waiting for momentum too. My plan is still the same, to take out buy side, and until we are below the midnight level, I'd like to see this level being taken out at 565. Those Croatian girls are hot. My buddy told me. Well, you better go down there and visit then. Oh, elections in 2 months. Wow. Oh yeah, so just saying, Kid Nash, Hungarian girls are freaking hot as well. Just saying. Guys, we are just going sideways here. Approaching the lunch hour. Try the Punjabi food. It's way better from the... Okay, from north. Okay. I'll try that. I'll look forward to that, actually. See, if you can find a Punjabi restaurant there, they make really good chicken curry. But the chicken and the bass rice. Oh, wow. Okay, okay. I'll look into that. That sounds actually very good. That sounds very good. I'm waiting for New York highs to be broken, pullback and solid long. Yeah. Again, if you're aggressive, you can enter here on this gap. Put your stop a little bit below there and target the buy side up there. It's still good for a 1 to 2 risk to reward. Should be breaking the order block high over there. All right, you're aggressive, yeah. All right, still consolidating here. Oh, they don't serve beef there. Well, I guess that would be very expensive, right? Or I don't know, it's hard to get. Cows are scared. No beef, pork. Extremely rare, right? Yeah, they told me that. Then I found that India is the biggest exporter of cows to the Middle East, which is strange. Holy cow, Robert. Holy cow. Yeah. That's an interesting information, by the way. That is interesting. What's up, Robert? Hope you have some good trades going on. Say set on my hands today. Yeah, most likely I did the same too. I'm observing, trying to wait for a better entry. Hold on a second. Put some lights in there. Guys, let me search. Okay. Yeah, let's see those restaurants. We must have Punjabi, yeah. Punjabi restaurants, I think we do. I'm gonna actually search for it. I think there are quite a few. There you go. Punjab Tandoori Indian Restaurant. It's in Budapest. That's not it. Indian restaurant. So there it is. Number one Indian Taj Mahal. Taj Mahal Indian food. Wow. Is this Indian? Looks like this on the inside. What is this? Wow. Oh wow, look at this. Wow. Number two Indian restaurant, Indigo. Indigo. This is an Indian restaurant in Budapest. Wow, look at all this food. Dosa, it's called dosa. Look at all this. It looks actually very delicious. Oh wow. What is this? Okay. So we have Indian restaurant in Budapest. And we saw that one. And this is Thai restaurant. That's awesome. Let me stay there. Give me some samosa and mint chutney. What is that? What is that? Oh, by the way, someone took the long on this gap. You should be in profit. Just saying. You should be in some decent profit by now. Taj Mahal is where we used to have dinner every night. It's just a walkable distance from Double T Hotel. Wow. You missed. I didn't miss the move. I did not want it to enter. I mean, I was talking about this. If you guys want to enter, you're welcome to do so. But I'm not entering yet because we're approaching lunch hour and we're pretty much just consolidating. But overall, my target would be the 565. So I just didn't see a proper entry. For example, on the 3-minute, if I show you on the 3-minute, we have another possible entry with the shift here and here. So on the 3-minute chart, you can still enter and target those highs. Let me put a marker here. So if you guys want to enter on the 3-minute, you can do so with a 1 to 2 risk to reward. If you put a limit order at around 33.75. That would be an aggressive entry to take out the order block high. Just saying. So you can still do that on the 3-minute chart. On the 5-minute, it also shifted. Nothing special. But on the 1 hour, well, that would be the high of the order block. That would be the high of the order block. For me, it's a little bit scary right here. Let's see. Dun, dun, dun. But we can go to the 60s from here. 60s would be the body of the 1 hour candle, around 60, 59 point something. And so if they want to take out that order block, it should be going still higher up there. That would be my main target. But we don't know that. This one is still holding. Let's look at ES. ES is pretty much holding too. It has a 1 hour order block higher, and here as well, but it's not actually, it's not that good. But we have order blocks at the 5300s. It's hard to tell what it wants to do. For me, it's getting ready for another drop, but it might not happen today. But on Nasdaq, you know, this is a high resistance liquidity run. In this area, if you look to the left, this is kind of a congestion area. It could be having a hard time for sure. India is the world's largest exporter of buffalo meat. How are the exports going to? Oh, okay. It's not, Tommy. They call it buffalo to prevent that. Take a look. It's in a lot of the people what they're in government are involved in it, in the trade. What? Take a look. I'll come down there and take you there, Tom. And all right, you know, Kid Nash, you're welcome anytime. I told you, if you come to Hungary, let me know, and it would be an honor to meet with some people from Canada. So yeah, absolutely. Always enjoy meeting new people, especially from that distance. Introduce you to the Punjabi food and the Punjabi culture. Very vibrant. Okay. Love to drink, love to eat meat. Hey, Kid Nash, I love to drink and I love to eat. So I'm absolutely down. You know, I love eating and drinking. I mean, drinking with a modest way, but you know, I love to eat. I love food. I so much love food, guys. I love to eat. I know when I'll be getting older and older, I think I'm gonna have a big stomach, a much bigger stomach, because I just love to eat. I love good food, guys. I think it's one of the best things in life, having some good food. The owner of the Taj Mahal Hotel is in Punjabi. Wow. try to find out if it's a Punjabi owner, because a lot of the guys from the south say that they make an Indian food and they don't. Oh, really? Okay, okay, okay. I'll follow them and find it for you. Okay, that is dosa. Okay, that's from the southern part of India. It's not bad if you like vegetarian, but I don't know. Is there a lag in my stream? Check if there's Pakistani food. It's the same, but it's mostly meat. Delicious. Is there a lag? Let me check if there's a lag on my stream. I have to make sure that if I have a lag or not. No, I don't. Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna have a big stomach. I'm gonna be fat. I'm gonna have a lot of extra kilos. I already have. And that's it. You gotta eat meat, only the meat. The rest of it is, it's pretty and bad on the stomach. Very okay, okay. You convinced me. Look at this. We're going for the 56 level that we were talking about. There is one Indian hotel opposite a mall in Budapest. We went there on day one, and interestingly, they are not Indian. They are Pakistani. Okay. Let me search for Pakistani restaurant. Aldi Pakistan. No. Zaika? No. Zaika. Zaika. Interesting. Okay, so they say that this is a Pakistan restaurant in Budapest, and it's called Zaika. And but these are older posts, no updates on their Facebook page. Yeah, this is old posts. Oh, this is like a yeah. It's fast food or something. And there's another one called Haldi. That is also a Pakistanian restaurant. It's all on Hungarian though. These are Pakistani food. This just looks like a regular street food restaurant, nothing special so far. Or is there? Pakora, Simanan, Naan. What is naan? No. Paneer naan. What is that? Peshwari naan. Okay. But oh, wow. Chicken. These are chicken. Chicken curry. Masala. Vindaloo. Okay. Rice. Food with rice. Vindaloo curry. Biryani. Interesting. Interesting. Quite a few different foods. Okay. Are we gonna go for that 65? I wonder. And I wonder if we're gonna go for that. I think we will. Or at least we should be. The lunch hour macro is already on. So buy side liquidity is at 65, not too far from here. On the 1 minute, this is actually a possible entry. 47, 7. This one actually go higher. This one can go higher. Can take out the hourly order block up there. I wonder if it's going to take it out or not. I think it will. I think it will. But I don't have a proper entry on this. You know, it's definitely good for a 10-point scalp. Or 15 points. At least. It's good for a 1-to-1, but yeah, just be careful. If you look at it on the so the reason why it could be dangerous, if I mean, it's not mandatory that it's going to reach the 1 hour order block high up there. So entering here would be absolutely a lower probability trade, because if we enter here, of course we can go higher, but just a few ticks before the top it can just boom, and you know, the sell-off continues. So that's why I'm a little bit nervous to enter. The best entry would have been here on the 5 minute, but you know how it goes. Tom, till what time you will be live? Well, I'm not sure, Giri. I'm not sure. Maybe another 20 minutes, 30 minutes. Today there is no news actually left, so maybe tomorrow I'm gonna be longer. Tomorrow I'll start the London session at 3 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, and the New York session about 7, a little bit after 7 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. But for how long am I staying? Not sure. Lunch hour is here. I don't really like to trade the PM session that much, because I don't want to stuck in a trade in the PM session, or stuck in drawdown in the PM session. Honestly, I'm thinking of what to do. If I would see some volume kicking in the lunch hour, that used to happen, I would stay. Otherwise, maybe 20 minutes, 30 minutes more. Don't know. I like to talk here with you guys, and I appreciate that you guys are here, but we don't really have any other opportunities. Maybe if we would have a nice short, a good displacement to the downside, I would target the lows down there, but there is no volume yet. So yeah, but at least I can tell the commercial to please use my links and codes. My Funded Futures has a very good deal, so go check out, click on the link. If you would like to help me out, just you have to click the link, because that's when it only registers. Vetminold, have a great rest of your trade day. You're out. There you go. Thanks for being here, Vetminold, and appreciate the support. Have a great rest of the day. I think there's a lie because I made that comment a while a while ago. My friend pronounced today that they bring next bigger static. Oh, that's awesome news, Erkan. That's good to know. Static accounts are definitely getting more popular. So if my friend is here, hey, thanks for being here, Giri. Bye to you as well, and hope to see you soon. Thank you for being here. Let me give you an applause. Thanks for being here. Tom, you think you could hit 66 on Nasdaq? I would like to think so, but worst case scenario, I mean the 65, 64 area, I think it's possible. I think it's possible. 65, 64 level is possible to hit it. So yeah. Yeah. Okay. What else do we have here? This one might be going down, so that's why I was waiting. If this one would be shifting, you know. Whatever you do, Tom, just order one dish with 1 or 2 naan. Don't go crazy off the bat because you'll be able to tell if it's good from the first dish. I recommend chicken curry and naan, medium spice. Duly noted. That's good to know. That's good to know, Kid Nash. That's good to know. Maybe I come there and open Indian. Hey, I can help you with finding locations there. I used to own some big steakhouse over here, and we could change the veggie dishes into meat dishes. I think that would be, you know, that's actually not a bad idea, Kid Nash. I had a nightclub. Wow, you had a nightclub, Italian and steak food. And I think people like the food from Pakistan and Punjab because it's very. Oh yeah, absolutely. So you had a nightclub. Tell me about that. You had some hot chicks in the nightclub. I hope you had. I love chicks in the nightclub. I love those hot girls in the nightclub. How this sounds like Hindu restaurant. Yeah. Greg, hey there. Long time no see, Greg. Yeah. Hope trading is going okay for you. You know, first day of the week, it's a little bit slow here in the lunch hour, although it's sweeping some liquidity maybe to cut this high. Still inside the order block, guys, don't forget it. On the 5-minute, we just went down to reprice this gap. So if you are really confident and super aggressive that this one should go higher, then this is a very, very good entry to go long and take out the the bearish order block. Robert, put the toilet paper in the fridge for the following day. Oh, really? So it's gonna be that bad, right? No, it shouldn't be. It should be great. It should be great. It should be perfect. Naan is bread. Yeah. Go Punjabi style chicken curry, 2 naan. I'm hungry, guys. I just got hungry. Hungry Hungarian, guys. I just got super hungry. from all this food. All this food. All this food, man, makes me super hungry. So even if you enter now, the risk to reward is very good. It's very rewarding, to be honest. I could go in with micros. I can actually go in with micros. You know what? Yeah, this one is. I'm going in with micros. 2 micros. It's very, very dangerous. My stop would be somewhere there. Okay. Yeah, my stop is down there. And my take profit would be at 64.50. 64.50. There. Super aggressive. Unfortunately, I think it's gonna shift lower and take me out. Yeah, it's shifting. Super aggressive entry, taking me out. It was looking real promising, but now it's just not. You may want to try a buffet. Sometimes they have those buffet ones. Such good deals, and can try everything. Oh, well, yeah. $20 per plate. That's good. I mean, all you can eat or something like that. I guess so. So this entry is based on the 5 minute ish. Should have added maybe one more. Oh yeah, that's what I should have done. So 5 minute here, or maybe here, stop loss below the swing low at 14. But if it wants to go lower, then it should be breaking the 500 down there. Actually, it broke structure here. So not all that comfortable with it, but my entry is at 28.12. All right, so that's my entry. My stop is down there. Now it looks better, just a little bit. Just a little bit. I'm gonna zoom it out. You also order some rare steak. Wow, nice. Nothing better than a good all-you-can-eat buffet. Exactly. Exactly. Well, unfortunately, it doesn't really look that good right now. I still believe my analysis is correct, but the thing is, it might going to sweep some more liquidity lower. That's the only issue. I would still like to see the order block being taken out up there at 64.50-ish area. So, yeah. I would like to see it taken out, but being taken out, but there might be a little bit more liquidity sweep on around the corner here. Almost taking me out right there. I always get these kind of trades. I mean, sorry. Entries. I wait for the proper entry and then I get taken out. By the way, check out the TOPSTEP discount too. It's still good for 20%. Not looking all that good. And it's almost gone, I think. Should be. And it's gone. Okay, I'm out from this trade. Alright guys, I think I don't want to risk more. It didn't really turn out that well for me. But, you know, who knows. I'm gonna cut the stream here, boys and girls. Thank you so much for being here. It was a good day. We had some good trades, but don't forget we have some sell side at 414 if this would turn down. But thank you so much for watching. Please click the like button, subscribe to the channel. Well, I don't know. I don't know. I'm not taking anything here. I don't want to lose more. I'm still in a good situation here because the accounts are around break even. So I scalped here and there, but I'm not gonna go long here. You can do so. I'm not saying it's a bad place to go long here, but my analysis still tells me, I mean, I feel that the 65 should be taken out, but it's low. Anyway, thank you so much for watching, guys. I'll be back in London tomorrow. Make sure to subscribe. If you want to help out the stream, please use my links and codes to get some discounts from these prop firms, and that really helps me out. And otherwise, it was a great session. Thank you for keeping me company here, and you know, have a great evening, day, whatever. Thank you, Zoltan Kasanem. Thank you for everyone. See you guys.